Yeah, let me do it for you. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Good morning from here. So it's Friday morning and we're off to the hospital. I know I've not been uploading videos due to this Nigerian election of a thing. You guys, I haven't been able to update edit my video. Would I say I was so emotional? I'm so emotional regarding this election. Like, I haven't been able to do a lot of things like concerning my YouTube, but I'll get through it. So I'm heading to the hospital right now. I want to go and vaccinate my baby. This is how.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know.
You guys, my baby pediatrician is not even around. I think he's on leave. So we are asked to meet another pediatrician. So I'm going to the pharmacy to get the vaccine. And there are a lot of people here. This place is so crowded. God, if I had known that the doctor, I should have called him before coming here. God, I'm going to wait for so long here. You guys, a lot has been happening in Nigeria. Like, I'm so upset. This is the reason why I have not been uploading videos on my channel. Like, I don't get the strength. You know, this election, I've never participated in any electoral process, but this particular one got me. I think I allowed my emotion to, how do I put it? I was so emotional about the whole thing to a point that I was so weak when Tinubu was declared as the president. I was so weak and I literally couldn't even edit my videos. That was how bad it was for my side. In as much as I'm trying to not to allow it to disturb me or disturb my activities, but still I can't deny the fact, that it's really disturbing me. You guys, I just want someone to just tap me and tell me that this is all a dream. Seriously, I've been so angry. You know, they asked us to go get PVC, that our votes was going to count, and Nigerians got their PVCs, and they came out in millions to vote only for these people to do this. Like, seriously, I'm so pissed off. Anyways, I'm at the pharmacy. Let me just go in and get the vaccine. I'll talk to you guys later.
Say what you wanna say.
Guys, we are done from the hospital. I'm going to the mall to check for something. I want to buy baby's plate, that type that sticks on the floor or on the table, something like that. I went to the pharmacy here at the baby store here within the hospital to check, but they don't have. So I'm going to the mall to check. If I don't see it there at the mall, that means I have to order it on Amazon. So after which, I think I also need to get some stuff for my baby girl, because the way these children grow, she has outgrown most of her clothing, especially the ones she wears at night. So probably I might go there today to get some clothes for her. If not, I will leave it some other days. I will leave it next time. So, alright guys. back from the hospital, and remember I told you guys I was going to branch to the supermarket to get some stuff, and these are the things we are able to get. This is this is what's this? Sorry, this is oats, and we got this, we call this thing atta, but this is actually wheat flour for swallow. We got like 5 packs, and we also got like, I don't know if you guys can see, we got like white kidney beans, and also I also got granules, that is peanuts. We got toothpaste. And you guys, at the mall where we bought these things, so they usually give like discounts. So whenever you buy things worth of 1,000 rupees, they give you like free gifts. They can give you like oats, or sorry, not oats. They can give you atta, that is wheat flour, or they will give you sugar worth 10 rupees. So they asked us to take sugar, and I didn't want sugar, and they ended up giving us this ones. They gave me like three of these deodorants, this Nivea product deodorants. They gave me three of these things are free. So I also got coconut for my. I also made granola this week. I also got things for my. These are for my granola. These cashew nuts, almond nuts, and chia seeds. I got this. What's this called again? Mirinda, and I got 1 pack of milk for my baby. And okay, my baby is, I used to, I also give her this one, this milk. I just, I don't know, I just give her this sometimes. Sometimes I give her this. This one is for us, I and my husband, and this is for her. So I got like 2 packs of that. I got soap. Soap. I also got bread. This is this one is corn kernels for my popcorns. And you guys saw where we were selecting clothes. My baby outgrew, I don't know, I know it's common with babies, they outgrow clothes so fast. So even though the clothes we usually buy for her are from a year, 2 years, but she outgrows them really fast. So we decided to buy some of the clothes, especially the ones she wears at home or she wears to sleep. So I got this one for her, this other one. These are just for her a night or sleeping clothes, right? That's what it's called. This also, these ones. I wanted to get something that is light because we're in summer. You guys, it's very hot here. It's very, very hot at night. We can't even sleep here without AC. So I also got this one. But they said they've not stocked up for summer wear. That I should come back next week. Probably next week we'll still go back there. And I got this one. I just love this top. It's very pretty. I got this for her. This one also. I know I'm not supposed to buy these things for her, but I'm sure she's most likely not gonna wear this one until when the weather becomes cold. But for now, it's very hot. Probably she'll be wearing this because she sleeps under the AC. She might be wearing this one and this one. And this shirt. So this cost us around 1,000 rupees. I don't know the exact price in dollar. Maybe I will try when I'm editing this video. I'll try to put um the equivalent on the screen. Okay. So these were the things we got from the mall and from baby store. Okay, you guys, I don't know if I should end this video here, but however, Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know if I'm still going to add other videos or not, but if I end up not adding, but if sorry, if I end up not adding other video, if I end up not doing outro, this is just me saying thank you so much for supporting my channel. God bless you all, and see you in my next one. Let me just take my thumbnails.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Hey fam, I just finished making my granola. Like I told you guys earlier that I was going to make granola today. I have a full recipe on how to make this. It's on my channel. I'm going to attach the link on the I'm going to attach the link in the description box. So if you are wondering or if you want to make yours, you can check out for that video. It's already on my channel, okay? So inside here I have some granules, raisins, almond nuts and cashew nuts. So yeah.